Kung may 13,000 to 14,000 monthly budget ka, baka ito na yung bahay na hinahanap mo. May available na bank foreclosed property na no bidding basta walang kasabay. Ibig sabihin, kung ikaw ang unang mag-reserve, pwede mo na agad makuha. Located at Kensington 17 General Trias. Here are the property details. Inner lot, lot area 50 square meter, floor area 50 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, 1 powder room, 1 car garage. Selling price, 2,008,000. Sample computation tayo. 20% down payment, 401,600. Loanable amount, 80% bank financing, 1,606,400. Estimated monthly amortization around 13,000 to 14,000 per month, depende sa bank terms. Required income usually around 35,000 to 40,000 combined income para ma-approve sa bank. Take note, this property is as is where is and bank fees plus transfer of title are not yet included. At dahil foreclosed property ito, mabilis itong makuha kapag may naunang buyer. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now para makita mo ang property bago ito ma-reserve ng iba. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!